Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LookFantastic box for you, and this has been alright. So I got the email, I think on like the 2nd or 3rd May, saying, hey, your box has been shipped. And it didn't arrive, and I was just wondering, where the hell is it? And then I got another email a few days later saying, oh, here is the new tracking code. Either my package got lost, like the original one, or something just went wrong in general. I have no idea. I don't know what's happening at LookFantastic these days. So let's just open up. We got the usual obligatory, is that what it's called? Pouch. And no coupons. Oh, I'm so happy. No coupons. Yes. This one looks like it's an orange pouch that says LookFantastic Beauty Box on there. I'm not really... I still have the same... It's actually the same thing. Hold on. This is the one from last year. It's the same thing, just orange. Opened up, and we take out the little card here that will tell you everything that's in the box. So this is what the beauty edit looks like this month. So the first thing is the Elemis product that I saw. Okay, so this is the Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner, Refreshing Facial Toner. Oh, that smells really good. I have like 2 other toners I'm currently using. I mean, one is my day toner and the other one is a night toner. So wow, almost dropped that. So once the day one is gone, I will definitely use this. I should put my glasses on to read. This is a deluxe size and it's worth £10. A luxurious, soothing and gentle toner that helps tighten the look of enlarged pores, infused with Korean ginseng, sweet Tibeti flower and quilaja wood. I have no idea how you pronounce that. Perfect for those prone to dry skin. It drenches your skin space with the hydration it's craving, while it's locking in moisture for long-lasting softness. So basically just like a normal toner. That's cool. Okay, I'm excited. Then we have something that I had before. I think I got this in a Sephora box, you know, like a purchase products for that much money and you get a free box, whatever. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. I think that's how I say it. I can't put it on. Oh my god. Oh, it's sealed, but it smells so good. I was so happy to have that in my Sephora box, and I'm happy to have it here. I can never close this thing up. I can never close it. Like, seriously. Hello? Am I stupid?
One eternity later.
I seriously don't get it. Like, I'm trying everything to close it, and I can't. What the hell? Okay, so for that alone, I would not purchase it. Wow. Terrible. So this is also the deluxe size, and it's worth £10. This forever favorite body cream provides the skin with a boost of hydration for a smoother and sumptuously soft sheen and firm finish. Enriched with guarana extract, kapuasu butter, acai oil, and coconut oil, it gives skin ultimate nourishment. Scented with the iconic, oh my god. Today we have to put words in that nobody can say. Shea Rosa, 62 fragrance, combining notes of pistachio, salted caramel, and vanilla. The body cream will leave skin feeling and smelling irresistible. I agree, it actually smells really good. Oh, then we have something in that we had before and I didn't like it at all. Oh, so I will put this into my giveaway box that I always put into the public bookshelf, or I will sell it. I have no idea, but oh, we had this one before. Not last year, but maybe like 2 years ago, I'm not really sure. So this is the Ultra Sun SPF 30 Lip Protection and Care Lip Balm. It's terrible. I'm not using it. It's like, oh, I will keep it sealed and we'll give it away. There's no way I will use this. Shield and protect the lips from cracking and damage caused by UV rays in hot or cold temperatures with this lip balm. Infused with black currant seed oil, rich in omega-3 and 6 for intense moisturization. This versatile product sits perfectly on the lipstick, making it a great choice for everyday wear, whatever the weather. It's a full size and it's worth £8. And like I said, we had this before. It dried out my lips. I didn't like the feeling of this on my lips, so this is going. Oh, then we have something that will also go probably because I don't need it. So this is the Invisible Scrunchie. What the hell is this beauty box this month? What is this? So it's like the invisible hair ties that I absolutely despise because my hair always gets caught in it and it hurts. But this has like a crunchy material around it. You know what I mean? Like a normal hair tie. This is worth $5.95 and it's the full size. It's like the actual thing you can buy. Dressed up in soft scrunchy fabric, the brand's traditional spiral hair ring delivers a traceless and hair-carrying hold that lasts. Fun and functional, Its unique, ultra-comfortable shade prevents headaches and kinks. Receive one of 2 shade variations, Pink Mantra or Stripes Up, and add a pop of color to your summer looks. I think this is Pink Mantra because it's all pink. I will also put this away and give it away to someone because I'm not going to use it. Okay, then the 2 last products are ready. This box, I'm absolutely not satisfied with this box, can you tell? You're getting a lip balm and a scrunchie. Maybe the last thing will absolutely blow me away. Oh, I had this before, I think. So this is, wow, my voice. This is the Maui Moisture Care Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo and Conditioner for dry hair, and my hair is very dry. I have a lot of oil in, like all throughout the hair. I usually just put oil chin down, but my hair is, I need it. Oh, that smells really good. Yeah, I think I had this brand before, but I'm not really sure. Made with 100% aloe vera as our first ingredient. No silicones, no mineral oil. It's vegan and it has pure coconut water in. Okay, so this is nice. The other stuff, not so much. But then again, just because I don't enjoy it doesn't mean that it's bad. It's not my thing. So these are both deluxe sizes. They're both £3.20. So we start with the shampoo. No, it's the conditioner. We start with the shampoo. This light and creamy shampoo is infused with weightless coconut milk along with shea guava oil and mango butter. Use this lightweight blend daily without fear of build-up and give hair a healthy glow and shine. I'm not using shampoo daily. I don't wash my hair every day, but hey, it's good to know that you can. I'm just not going to. And then the conditioner. Like the shampoo, this deeply nourishing conditioner is also infused with coconut milk along with shea guava oil and mango butter, making them the perfect pair. Can be used daily to give a glossy shine to your mane. So that was it. That was everything that was in the box. We didn't get any coupons, right? But we also didn't get an amazing box, in my opinion. But hey, it's just me. So then we go on with the leaflet. That's not even a leaflet anymore, it's just a page on the website. Destination Beautification. We're kickstarting summer early with your ultimate beauty travel kit. I would not take this on vacation with me. Like, be serious. So you get to know about Maui Moisture. Then you have a holiday hairstyle 101. What to use if you're going to the beach, and you are in the salty ocean water. Skin prep power. Oh yeah, how to prep your skin for going out in the sun, right? Using SPF lip balm, using SPF on your face and on your neck and on your ears and everywhere. Just, get ready for summer. Oh, there's actually a whole page about ultrasun. Okay. 6 SPF secrets. Cool. Then they talk about, okay, hold on. They talk about the Beauty Plus perks, which I'm now a member of. I mean, it's really easy. You just have to apply to become a member. And you can write reviews. I think you get points for it. But I'm not really sure. Like, I haven't really looked into it. It's just, I just think it's nice that you can actually give your opinion, about reviews. But that's it. I haven't really looked into it. LookFantastic's brand of the month is Sol de Janeiro. This one. They also have a lot of other things like a scrub, a oil, and what is the other thing? I cannot read this. Shower cream gel. What I was super excited about, what's coming up, is the NARS Orgasm Blush. Is it the deluxe size? I'm excited. It's not like I have 5 other blushes that I should use up, but I'm excited. Are we feeling this? I'm not feeling this box, but hey, maybe someone else can enjoy these products. It's not me, but someone else maybe might. Okay. I have a few products that I use up briefly because I don't remember most of them, to be honest with you. So this is actually not empty, but I'm getting rid of it. This is the Umberto Giannini Banana Butter. Repair and Restore Leave-In Conditioning Styling Butter. It smells heavenly. It smells like bananas, right? It smells so good. But it's a very thick paste and it makes my hair terrible. Like, on one hand, my hair looks super oily, like I just jumped into like a frying pan, right? And on the other hand, it makes my hair dry out. Very straw-like. It feels like very crunchy and just not nice. Which is why I have to use an oil right now to get it back to the shiny hair that it was before. I'm just not a fan of leave-in conditioners. An oil is fine, I guess, or anything that I can spray in, but as soon as like a thick paste like this, it's over, because I either use too much or too little, and if I use too little, there's no use in using it in the first place, you know what I mean? I need to find out the right amount, and it's just too much of a hassle. It's going. I just cannot deal with it. Then this, I said I will not do videos on anymore, but I used this one up, the Incredible Show Me the Bunny Mask. Just, no face mask with this actually what it looks like, the bunny on it. I used this twice. I use it, had it on for a while, put it back in, because there's still a lot of serum in. I can feel it. Then I put it back on, and it was nice, it was refreshing, cooling. I don't know if it really did like an oil balancing magic on my face. But hey, it was nice to use. It was nice. It was a nice 15 to 20 minutes that I had it on. Okay, this there's still a bit left, but I'm getting rid of it because, yeah, you can see it changed color. So this is nail oil, or a nail treatment by NCLA. So rich, vitamin E infused cuticle oil, obviously for your cuticles. And the problem is there's glitter in. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it. Look at that. They have absolutely changed the color of the oil. They probably have oxidized because I had them for a long time, or I don't know what these glitter things are made of, but it's definitely changing the color of the oil. I do not want to put that on my nails anymore. Besides, it's almost empty anyways, and the stopper is not going all the way down anymore, so I have to pour it on my nails. It was okay, you know, it's a cuticle oil. What can I tell you? And this actually I use this as a body lotion. This is a hand cream by Neutrogena. I don't use hand creams. I rather use foot creams. No matter how many times I get a hand cream, and no matter how many times I tell myself, oh, I'm going to use a hand cream now. I'm going to use it every day before I go to bed. You know, like rub it into my hands and then sleep and wake up with very soft and beautiful hands. I'm just not doing that. I'm just not, like, this has been sitting in my drawer. Not even on my drawer, but on my bedside table for the longest time, and I didn't use it. So I figured, you know what? I'm going to use it as body lotion. It was a very thick consistency, and it takes a very long time to sink in, but it smelled good. And made my skin soft. Even my elbows. I liked it, but I will not purchase it, obviously, because it's a hand cream, and I'm not using it as a hand cream. This I actually liked. Ooh, this is the Serene Aqua Gel Refreshing Toner. The toner actually looks like this. Light blue, but a gel. Oh, it's not like this, right? It's not like a toner that's just water. This has a bit of a thicker consistency as well. I love using that. It was just so nice to apply. Very cooling on the face. I feel like it really calmed down my face, even though it's not that warm outside, but after a long day out and a long stressful day, putting this all over the face after you remove your makeup is just so nice. I wouldn't love this. I might have to repurchase it. Then something that I used up again, you know, like the hand cream. I didn't use this as a highlighter. I'm a big fan of not using things as they were intended to. So like I said, this is the Ciate London Starburst highlighter, and I use it as an eyeshadow. Why not? It was like a gold shimmer, and it was a bit too dark for me as a highlighter, so I used it as an eyeshadow. Sometimes when I was really in the mood, I use it as a blush topper, because that way I could still make it work, but on its own as a highlighter it was just too dark. So yeah, I did the Panda palette update, which I will link here in case you want to check it out. I actually put this into my list. You know, I keep a list every month of what I use up and where I hit pan on, and you know what I buy. I put this in as use up, but I don't think I put this in my inventory as an eyeshadow. And I need to film an inventory too, so this out. So one highlighter out / one eyeshadow out. It's fine with me. This is the Mio Clay Away Body Cleanser. That actually looks like clay. I don't know how you can see. It smells so good. It smells very minty. It doesn't sting or burn your skin, right? As some menthol products do. This smelled nice, but honestly, it was just, I use it as a normal body cleanser. You can use it as a shower gel, or you can use it on dry skin first, let it sink in, and then wash off. I don't have time for that. Let's just say I apply it on my elbows, and then continue with the shower, right? Like shaving my legs, shaving my armpits, washing my body. It will get wet anyways, so I didn't see the point of using this on wet skin, and then washing it off. So I use it as a normal shower gel, and to me, it's not really made as a shower gel. It didn't foam. I didn't feel like it really cleansed my body. The smell didn't last on my skin, so it was okay to use, but it would definitely not work with it. There are better products out there to wash your body with. But hey, maybe as an intense treatment for dry skin, it works. I just didn't use it that way. Okay, and last but not least, the no idea. Rosehip Fruit Extract Cleansing Oil. This was amazing, but it just squirts out the tube. Okay, you have to be very careful with how much you use, because otherwise you have to hold the tube on your hands and then try to remove your makeup. The thing is, you cannot use it on your eyes, so you still have to use an eye makeup remover and then go in with this to wash everything off. It really did clean my face, you know, because when you rub it in, I think you rub it on dry skin. Yeah, you rub it on dry skin, and then when you wash your hands, obviously you can see all the dirt coming off of your hands. I think that's really cool. A little nasty, but so cool. That was it. Let me know if you have any of those things. I'm excited for this one, because it just smells super, super good. The packaging, I never had the full size of it, so I don't know if the full size packaging is like this as well, but damn. See, I'm struggling again. I don't know why. Shampoo, conditioner I can always use. I'm excited for that, and toner as well. And the other products, I will probably give away. Overall, I don't really like that box. And I feel like next month, I mean, yes, we get the blush, but I feel like next month, you know, like the June box will be very summer heavy as well, and I can already see all the like citrus stuff coming in. Honestly, I need to remind myself of this video and check back in a month to see if we actually get a lot of citrus stuff. It's either that or a lot of pink, like cutesy stuff. I can see it. And maybe like a sunscreen thing, or another SPF product, maybe like a heat protecting for your hair. I don't know. It's probably one of those things. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already, and I'll see you next one.